Hey man, we came back for round 2. This truck
Today, Junior.
this truck the cleanest truck right here, bruh. That hoe is jamming, thumping, bruh, thumping, boy. That hoe flashing. Watch out. Bro, look how big this dude's box is in the back. This whole box, bro, is covering his speakers. It's insane. Whoa, bro, that just scared me. Bro, this shit got clean too, though. Dang. I love the white lettering. Love the white lettering. I love this bumper. I want this fucking bumper so bad. Damn. This shit's sick. Oh.